And I thought about my fitness and my real goals are and why would I do it and why wouldn't I do it? And it was then and there that I made the decision that I'm going to enjoy it. And so I smiled. By the way, when you smile, you release endorphins in your body that makes you happy. Using your smile muscles releases, what is the best way to say it? Releases oxytocin. Oh my gosh, I can't talk. Oxytocin. And now all of a sudden you feel happy and healthy. So I did that. I made the commitment. I made the decision. I said, hey, I shouldn't be doing this. I feel stagnant. It's not easy to get started moving when you've been still for a while. Now, this works with your podcast. This works with your business, and certainly works with your health or religion or your family. In this case, for me, I'm using my health as an example. But for you, when you leave this podcast, it might be religion or family or health or your podcast or your business. I need you to make a commitment to do something and to go full bore in it. I committed that I would enjoy the gym. And so I got a new energy. Just after I smiled and after I decided, I got a new energy. And then I went back the next day with vigor, with enthusiasm, and I crushed it. I got done with all of my workouts much faster than I normally do because I was excited about it, because I tricked myself the day before, because I kicked my ass and got myself in motion. And now I'm staying in motion. Friday, same thing, go back. Today's Saturday. I'm halfway tempted to go. I want to go. I'm like, this is great. I don't want to take a day off. I love it. I love the way that I feel after I go. And you're going to love the way after you hire my company to support you with your podcast. You're going to love the way you feel. You're going to say, this is great. Why didn't I do it sooner? You're going to love the way you feel when you make those sales calls. When you follow back up with the people that you already did as a discovery call with. When you do that, you're going to feel better. When you go to the gym, you're going to feel better. When you call your mother and you're like, hey, I know we haven't talked in a while. You're going to feel better. And now you're an object in motion and you're likely to stay in motion. So the difference between successful people and non-successful people is that they make a decision and then they stick to it no matter what. Tony Robbins always says, the only way that you're going to take the island is if you burn the boats. You and your Vikings come to take over an island. You keep your ships there, you've got a way out. But when you're decided and committed that this is the thing you're going to do no matter what, you get rid of plan B and you just do the thing. I'll see you on the next episode.